Good morning! Today is the day before we go on our trip and I have so much to do. I didn't even realize, like, my body woke up like at 7:08 and it was like time to get to work. Let's go. I have to TMI wash my sticky boobs so then they're sticky. I have to wash my extensions just in case I need them. I have so much to do, it's not even freaking funny. So let's go do that. I don't know if I'm going to film any of this, but we just need to get it done. We need to finish packing. Like, we might have to run air. Like, I have so much to do, and I didn't realize it. And, like, my skin's starting to peel. I'm like, no, I have to tan tonight. Like, I'm just all around a mess, but anyways, let's start this adventure today. Okay, just washed the sticky bra. So now we're on to the hair. I set up this little matrix thing where I can like hang it up while I blow dry them. But I have to wash them. I'm trying to decide what else I have to bring. My suitcase is so packed. I mean, you guys saw it in the last vlog, but like, whatever. Now I just painted my toes. I'm just waiting for them to dry a bit so then I can, oh, this is really messy. So then I can put a clear coat on them. And I think the next thing we're gonna do is just continue packing. Okay, I'm gonna finish this and then I'll come back. Okay, toenails are good and all cleaned up. So now we're gonna go pack up my bathroom stuff and my backpack. I think that's kind of like the next step, so let's get to it. So how I put my backpack together is I take all my extra clothes and I take my shoes and I find the biggest backpack I can find. What I do is I put my shoes at the bottom so it creates kind of like a box shape. Okay, so now you can see how it's kind of like already folded out, and all I did was stack my shoes on top of each other. So this is what it looks like. You can see like it's kind of like making that shape so it stays that way. Okay, so now we just have to do our bathroom stuff. We're getting ice cream. Look, I'm starting to peel. We're getting ice cream right now. Baby, you didn't tell me. Well, y'all, I just spray tanned on top of my normal tan. and I'm going to bed, so I can't wait to take you to the airport with me, and when we land in Orlando, see my hotel, and then I can't wait to just take you on this amazing adventure. So I will see you guys next time. Bye. It's currently 6 in the morning. We don't leave here to go to the airport until 11. We had sushi for dinner, as y'all saw. I think I got food poisoning from it, or I've just packed my stomach so much that I'm just... Anyways, so I'm gonna get in, rinse off my spray tan, see the damage. Hey y'all, so I'm getting ready for the airport. After food poisoning, my body's really achy and I cannot stop overheating. So, we had to change the fit. This is the new fit. We're gonna do our best to get through today. Sorry for getting emotional, it's really hard. But I have things I gotta do, I have things I have to accomplish, so we're gonna go for it. My morning vlog, so I got in about 1 o'clock last night, 1 a.m. So I just came in and went to bed. I just wasn't feeling amazing, but this morning I feel so much better. I'm gonna give you guys a little room tour. Here's the bathroom, little closet, bed, and my mess. That's gonna be it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry it wasn't very eventful, but yeah, I'll see you guys next time.